Hey Capricorn, how are you? Okay, this is your love reading for mid-May 2022, and we will look at the energies between your specific person and yourself. We will look particularly at 4 aspects of that connection: their feelings for you, their intentions, which can be what's in their head, actions, which can be in the material or 3D world, and then the direction of the connection given current energies. And those energies can change and shift, so don't be too concerned about that. I will also pull 1 card at the end as well for what your person would like to say to you, if they could be open, upfront, honest, stuff like that. But first of all, 2 cards, 1 for where you are in the connection and 1 for them. Okay, you will give your all for this. The Fool upright. You're jumping into this. You don't care. You don't care about the outcome. You just want this person. You want this relationship. Queen of Wands reversed. And the Ace of Wands reversed. This kind of irritates you at the same time. I think it irritates you sexually as well. It kind of you want this person, passionately want this person, and you're trying to control that passion. You're trying to control yourself. You're jumping into it, but at the same time, you know if you take this too far, it might not work out. You're trying to pull back a little bit. Maybe that's wise. For them, we have the 5 of Pentacles, and that's the 9 of Swords together with the King of Wands reversed. Okay, so they're missing you. They want to be with you. They want to be back with you. Back with you or just with you, I'm not sure. And my God, passion both sides. Here we have the Queen of Wands reversed, okay, for you. The irritation, agitation, wanting it but not quite getting it. And here for them, they want you. King of Wands, mirroring each other. And so desperately want this. They want to come out of the cold, be with you, and their worries will lift. Anxiety will lift. Okay, so what's the issue? That looks good to me. So now let's delve a little bit deeper. See what's happening beyond that. Okay, so bit more shuffling. And 1 more time. Yeah. Okay, that's about right. Four cards. Feelings, intentions, actions, and also where it is heading given current energies. Feelings, Queen of Cups reversed. When a Queen is upright, yeah, it's love. We all know it's love. When she's reversed, it's imbalanced. She can't quite focus. I think here there's a total imbalance of feelings. And we have Strength reversed, echoing what we saw earlier with the King of Wands. And the 3 of Wands reversed. Yeah, this person's hooked on you. Big time. They can hardly control their feelings. There's immense lust, sexual feelings, passion. wanting and not being able to control that want. And there's a certain degree of, I just don't care. I don't want to plan for this. I don't want to work out how I'm feeling like this or what's going to happen next. It's a purity of feeling, just wanting somebody, wanting to be with somebody. And who cares? I don't care about it. I just care about this person. There's no rationality to that. Total heart and passion. And here, what's in their head? Intentions, 5 of Wands upright. Oh, God. They're conflicted about this, conflicted about what to do. Judgment. Judgment upright, and last card here, Knight of Swords. I get the impression, not sure if this is about being conflicted. I think now this is much more about just fighting for this, going for this. The feelings are so strong, they need this to revitalize this relationship. Phoenix from the ashes, to bring it to the fore, to bring it into reality. It's what we saw in the preamble. But actions, my goodness, no. All of this, and what do we have? The Page of Cups. They're holding back. For the rest of May into early June, they're holding back. They're not going to say how they feel, not express how they feel. They are controlling their feelings, sure, the Emperor. But it's more than that. I think what they're doing is, behind the scenes, they actually are planning what to do. They are considering what to do so they can take control. And again, okay, there's too much passion here, I think. 8 of Wands. 8 of Wands upright. They're working out, planning how they can move forward, passionately advance, physically advance in the material world. How do they do that? Because this is a card of absolute desire. They want you. Desire, sex. But this is somebody here who actually is trying to work it all out, which is not a bad thing. And this is the point where the reading could fall down. We'll find out. This is where it's heading. 10 of Wands upright. 5 of Cups reversed, and one more card. We have here, move these down a little bit. 4 of Pentacles reversed. Okay. I get the feeling here that this is the point where they will be confessing how they feel, letting go, no longer holding back, expressing their love, articulating their love, articulating their feelings. Articulating their feelings, articulating that they want you. I think what they'd be saying is that there are some regrets, perhaps, from the past. But ultimately, they want to let go. Not let go of you, but let go of what's in their heart. No longer hold back. This is the stage in the relationship, though. This is not, oh my God, yes, I've just done a tarot reading and everything will be fine in June. It won't be. This isn't a stage in a relationship, okay? It's a stage. And it's moving forward in the right direction. So whatever you're doing, working on yourself, that's cool. That's all good. All very good. So, Capricorn, one last card for what your person would like to say to you if they could be vulnerable. They probably won't say this, but if they could say it, what would they say to you? And that's it. Oh, we have the 10 of Wands again. Three of Cups. I'm getting scared. And the 10th card, Major Arcana, the Wheel of Fortune. Again, this is confession. Confessing that they want to shift the relationship to the next level, move it to the next stage, and they love you. The Three of Cups is a kind of abundance, joy, a joy of being with somebody. It can also mean that they're confessing that they want to be back together with you. The Three of Cups is the card of reunion, coming back together. I think that's right. Yeah. They want to be back together with you. That's what they want to say. Confess it. Will they do that? It's doubtful. But that's what they want to say. That's what's in their heart. Capricorn, I hope that was helpful. Okay. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.